Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Gokanya FX Traders. Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Gokanya FX Traders. So today I'll be showing how I analyze the market. So I'm on EURUSD on 1 day time frame. So I do a top-down analysis going from bigger time frame to small time frame. So basically, what I do first is just that I look at the trend on daily time frame, so I can see that it's an upward trend, as you can see, obviously. And I mark the last low. I also mark the last high. So as you can see, there was an order block here, and I think it has been filled because we can see some movement going up. It shows like rejection. We go to 4 hours time frame next. So on small time frame next, we just look at the structure. So we see this is the last break of structure. This is our last break of structure going up. Ne? And we also go to 1 hour time frame. On 1 hour time frame, we just got wanna see the really base drop, really already base drop. Here we can see there was a liquidity swept before the market going up. So I'm gonna mark that as our liquidity sweep going up. Yeah, this is our liquidity sweep going up. So it was ready, base, ready. So we can mark our base. So let me keep it like simple. On when I say base, it's where they they place their orders, back orders, before going up, pushing the market up. So they place their orders here, and they will look to come and fill in the orders that they had here. So let me mark this as just a point of interest. So I also put a Fibonacci just to confirm. I just do this just to confirm my entry. Yeah. This is on 50%. This is premium zone and this is discount zone. As you can see, the market has come to the discount zone and triggered this point of interest and got up and did a V shape. Yeah. So let me delete this. So we can see that our point of interest has been triggered. So what we must do is go to small time frame and see the structure of this. Yeah. So let's go to M15. On M15, let me just zoom in. Let me just zoom in. So here we can see this is our last break of structure going down. Yeah, this is our last break of structure going down. So it's triggered our point of interest here, and then it's did some a V shape, showing that there's more momentum getting in the market. So this was our last shield of the structure. So I'll call this as a market shift. This is a market shift because there's a market shift because the break of structure of this was breaking out. This shows that the market is turning now, getting bullish. So we are mark this as our last wall, our last wall. So in this market shift, you can see that there was liquidity swaps here. There was a liquidity swaps here. And so what you must do, you must check for endorsement. And endorsement is when people think this is the last break of structure or this is our last wall. It will not go down anymore. And then that becomes endorsement. I call it liquidity. So I call this liquidity. There's some liquidity lying here. There is some liquidity lying here. There are a lot of orders here lying here. And you can see there was a lot of movement here. I'll go to higher time frame, like 1 hour time frame. I just want to see if there's a fair value cap. Okay, as we can see, there's a fair value cap here. So I mark the fair value cap. Ne? As I mark the fair value cap, I'll be expecting the market to take out this inducement before going to our direction. So I will place I'll go for longs. So I'll place I will place long here and my stop loss will be here. Then I'll go for 1 to 3. I'll take 1 to 3. Risky reward. So I'm risking 1% to make 3%. I call this fixed because I always go for 1 to 3. Uh, my strategy just one. That's how I trade. I go just 1 to 3. So basically, this is my entry for next week. As I analyzed this, I'll be looking for buys on Euro USD, but I'll wait for retracement first. I'll place a buy limit here, and then I'll place my TP and set my TP and my stop loss. I have a Telegram group that I show all my analysis and trades, and I do take loss, take profit, everything. I show them. Yeah, I always show real stuff, not like hype or motivation things. I just wanna be the realest nigga ever to do this thing. Let me say it like I'm done. For more, you can join my Telegram group if you wanna see more of me, and please like and subscribe.